If you're searching for an alternate source of income, then you should try affiliate marketing. We understand that affiliate marketing might appear very complicated and involved. Don't be overwhelmed. Help is here.
Hey, JC here for KS Global Media. You are just minutes away from getting the training and the course that everybody's been talking about online. This special offer only went live a few days ago and it's already a bestseller. Check out all the details about this course and the training by clicking that link or button. I would like to introduce the Tailor Your Future Massive Affiliate Blueprint. This massive done-for-you system that gives you a fully functional business in minutes and shortcuts 6 months of setup and tens of thousands of dollars in testing. This brand new revolutionary technology and next generation affiliate marketing system transforms anyone into a super high paying affiliate with the most done for you system and traffic hurricane techniques without months of setup. We're talking about more than 40 proven and tested income streams, more than 1 year of high converting email follow up, and 12 lead sucking capture pages, 12 tested and proven bridge pages, and 12 high quality lead magnets. A full white label affiliate marketing course with 22 videos and hundreds of buttons throughout the system. Updated with all of your links with all 40 income streams without even clicking edit on a single thing. A system like this with all the automation, pages, and emails would cost at least $50,000 to set up manually, and that is cheap. And all of this is done for you as part of this package. This early bird special is only available for a very short time. Take action immediately to enjoy all the incredible benefits. Dedicated support staff is on standby to help you with everything you need. We look forward to working with you. So click that link, take action, and we will see you on the inside.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let's get started together today. Simply click the link below to learn more.